In this video, we are going to do 2.3, number 14, and it's a pretty complicated problem because what we're going to do first, is we're going to tackle this first, the two binomials multiplied together, and then finally at the end we're going to distribute that 7x. So let's first do x plus 11 times x plus 5. There are two ways to do this. We could use FOIL or we could use a 2x2 box. I'm going to try FOIL. If you have enough practice, you should be able to do this. So this gives us x times x. That's the first, is x squared. The outside, remember FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. The outside is x times positive 5, which gives me plus 5x. The inside is 11 times x, which is 11x. And then finally the last, which is 11 times 5, or 55. And when we do these, it is very typical that the outside and inside always combines. Here's our outside and inside right there. So we end up with, I'm going to write it one line lower, x squared plus 16x plus 55. But don't forget about this guy up here, 7x. We haven't multiplied that through yet, so I'm going to do that. And not only am I going to do that, but anywhere there is an x, I'm going to remind myself that that really means these are x to the first power, okay? All right, let's distribute. I always multiply the numbers first. This is really like 7 times 1, which is 7. And what's x squared times x to the first? X to the third. Then 7 times 16, that's 70 plus 42, which is 112, so 112. And then x to the first times x to the first is x squared. And then finally, 7 times 55. 7 times 50 would be 350. 7 times 5 is 35, so that's plus 385, and that x just tags on at the very end. And I've tackled all of these problems.